Yo, what up? This is day 4, I think, of my journey to becoming a profitable trader. Um, so in this, I've just again been back testing pretty much all day. And this is just showing the strategy that I tried. I did it for about a month. I lost 2% on it. Win rate was 33%, and I took 12 trades across, I think, about 30 days. So the thing that's standing out to me is I had 4 winners and 8 losers, right? And 5 out of 8 of these losers, I could have had profit or break even, which would have upped my win rate by at least, let's see, 9 9 divided by 12. That's like what, 66% win rate. Now that I think should be profitable with an average RR of 1.09. That should be profitable. Let's see. So let me do the math real quick. Oh, sorry, I'm tripping. 9 out of 12 is, sorry, 75%. I don't know. I'm just hella tired right now. So 75% win rate with a average risk to reward of 1. That is profitable 100%. I can tell you just by looking at it. Other thing is, as you can see, I did not trade. I did not trade on Mondays, and like, I think I can't. I could have put in a little bit more of a what is it? More time into this. Put in maybe another month or something. But I'm gonna just tweak the strategy a bit so that I am basically trailing my stop a lot more and decreasing how far away I put my take profit, because clearly, as seen by the data right here, it's showing me that my take profit is too far, and that's causing my win rate to be low, which therefore is causing my strategy to be unprofitable. So if I can bump this up and I can change this, bro, this is the main thing. Like, this, like, if I can fix that, and I know, bro, I was backtesting there. I think the part of the reason why I did not take profit or even like take my partials like how I usually do on live is because I would increase the backtesting speed once I got into the trade. So like before the trade, I'd be like doing 1 minute per candle, and then after that, I'd bump it up to 15 minutes, and then it would just go super fast. So it would like go in my direction for quite a bit, and then go and stop me out, and that would cause me to lose full TP on the software. But in reality, I could have taken partials in multiple locations. So I'm gonna go ahead, try another 30 days. We'll see how it goes, and I'll update you guys either tomorrow or whenever I complete it. And yeah, that's all I really have for today. I might want to go over this market right here. Just check out what's been happening. I did have a for the week, my bias. Let's see what it was. Oh, and so going into this week, I was bullish, and I'm fairly sure we did end up being bullish. Yeah, those are two of the. Yeah, all right. Yeah, we were clearly bullish. And one more thing I wanted to go over before I end this was today. I had a couple of nice opportunities. I saw trading this 1 minute model that I tweaked a bit. So price in the morning. I'll pull it up on. Oh, whatever. It's chill. As you could see, yesterday's data low to today's high. Or yeah, yesterday's high. Sorry, FOMC data low, and then yesterday's high. And we came down, tapped this 50%, and came into this what is it? Fair value gap right here. And then from there, I was just looking for longs. I was looking for displacement. And as you can see, I mean, just look at this. Blew that all the way out of the water and looked like a market maker buy model to me. So once we saw this and we saw the break of or market structure shift right here, I was looking, I could have entered potentially here. OTE was not offered though, so it wasn't optimal for me. The reason I took the entry where I did, sorry, should have been something like this. I think it was here. Yeah. I took it off. I think it was either this one or this one. I'm not exactly too sure. I think it was an OTE trade for my, okay. Sorry. It was the second one. I think I moved this up. Either way, it was a 3.48 R trade. Low key, I think I messed it up. Alright, I took a picture of it after I traded, bro, just to show. Let me check. 19,968 was. Here, I'm just like using this as a reference. 968. We came down. The thing that stood out about it was that it just perfectly tapped into my my entry, and then it went. It was around 12 a.m. It was here, 19,949 potentially. Yeah, it was about right here. Take profit. This was full TP, but I had partials here, and then stop loss was at this significant low. Let me check. Like, I'm literally just aligning the trade up here. I don't know why it looks so different. Okay, nah. I took it off this. Stop loss here. And yeah, this is TP. Okay, I see. So what I was looking for was just retracement to OTE here. So we formed a high, low to high right here. Simple retracement to 50%. Boom, entry right about here. And then nice little, 2.3R. What I'm realizing is it's less about how many points you catch and more about what your risk to reward is. So like, for example, if I had this marked out earlier, right? If I went for something like this with my stop loss being all the way here, between these two trades, even though this one catches a way bigger move, which is 100 points, and this only catches 43 points, I make more money on this smaller trade just because this risk to reward is much higher. So I'm risking $100 to make 237 here. Over here, I'm risking $100 to make 137, if that makes sense. So that's something that like kind of changed my perspective on what I'm looking for in the market, because originally I was looking to catch, like, my entire goal when it comes to day trading was I want to catch the big daily expansionary move that is offered on clear days, right? Now it's more like, okay, I want to catch these reactions where price reacts. See this? Like, we're reacting off the PD array, and I just want to catch a little piece of that reaction. Because if I can manage my risk during that reaction, see, this is very high probability to me. This is a market maker buy model perfectly. Like, these are highs I want to see get run out. Oh, they did get run out. All right. But like, it's just a perfect market maker buy model to me, and it delivered. You just need to catch a piece, just any, like, it doesn't matter which retracement I catch, as long as it's not in a premium, right? If I'm trying to go long, it just has to be in a discount, and that's a valid entry for me. It's like here, okay, I was offered a discount, and this is a protected low right here. So because it's respecting this PD array like this, right? See, this would have been an optimal entry right here. Except at that time I was thinking, oh, we might be looking to run higher, but this this would have been like the best trade I could have taken possibly. But that's hindsight, right? Looking back, this is what I got, and I'm happy for it. Like, happy that I got it. I mean, other than that, the main thing I gotta watch out for when I'm trading on the 1 minute is these big retracements like this, which happen on the higher lower time frames, like the 5 or 15. So when price finally forms these highs, like once we displace or are likely to displace from a certain area, I need to be so quick with my entry. Otherwise, I'm like low-key cooked. So maybe another entry model that I go for, I'll try, maybe I'll just backtest this instead of what I've been doing, is more of just a inverse fair value gap model. So like right here, came down, tapped into this 4-hour gap, inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute. Maybe if I can pair it with some confluences like SMT or something, that would be good. But other than that, like, yeah, that would allow me to get a move where I would target inverse fair value gaps like this, stop at the low, targeting these highs. I don't know. Maybe I'll check it out. I'll practice. I'll backtest. The main thing that I'm just worried is like I'm gonna get caught into a bigger retracement, and it's only gonna stop me out, right? Like I wanna basically long these little pops here that I get. But if it's coming down, like these pops will not be successful if I long it unless I'm watching the higher time frame. So it's just something that I felt like talking about. But yeah, I know this is a longer video, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.